how to reserve on Pop Mart. You can do this on the app or website. You want to launch the Pop Mart app or go to their official website. You will then browse or search. You want to look through the latest collections or search for the specific figure you want. For example, if you're trying to get a Labubu, look for pre-order or the reservation option. Some items show pre-order or reservation instead of buy now. You want to tap on that. If you don't see it, it means that you can't reserve it. Check reservation details. You want to read the rules such as the release date, payment terms, and whether full or partial payment is required. You will then tap reserve now. You want to click reserve to lock in your figure. Make payment. You will pay as required. Sometimes it's a full payment, sometimes it's a deposit. You will use your preferred method. Confirmation, you will get a confirmation via email or in your order history. You will then wait for the release. Once the product is officially released, they will ship it to you and you can unbox your new Pop Mart collectible and enjoy. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.